Let me watch the master. The master at work. So today I am headed to a lighting workshop at Light Studio NYC. This lighting workshop is being hosted by Sophia Elizabeth Photo. One of my really big goals this year is to just level up my photography game, and adding lighting to my repertoire is really essential. I'm very excited. We out here working, baby. Let's go. The two lighting techniques we're learning today is constant light and flash photography, and this is our first setup with model Diana. Watch the master. The master at work. The master at work doing her thing. Hi. Kai.
Tatiana.
Okay. Once we started with the flash, your girl had all sorts of problems. I couldn't get it to work properly, so I missed this cute little setup. But the second flash setup was pure fire. So this light gives texture. Right. This is constant light at a 45-degree angle. Constant light at a 45-degree angle. such a productive day today. I'm so proud of myself for doing this. My goal was to just leave this workshop with a basic understanding of lighting, and I feel so confident that I'm able to implement this in my photo shoots moving forward. Listen, all 2025, we're learning, we're growing, we're flowing. That's the goal. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I hope you guys picked up something out of here, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Me and the bolos one for another game. Me and the bolos one for another game. Break up your bad, baby, break up your back. Break up your bad, baby, break up your back. Me and the bolos popping up again. Me bomb clock, baby, not again.